You must get asked about this all the time, but do politics and money mix?
Both are emotional issues, Cabot, and our team can help take the emotion out of it to help you make sound financial decisions. And we guide people on how they might need to make adjustments to their plans to deal with policy changes that can really result in volatility or higher taxes in the future.
Taxes seem to be one of the way that politics seems to have a huge effect on our planning.
There is a proposed policy change where the capital gains tax could more than double.